I'm so sad because Super Yummy is closing end of the year, so we have to take advantage of them being here for a couple of months more. I hope finally spring has arrived. Because we want to get rid of the winter. That's a very good attitude. Oi! Querformat.
Ist doch, oder?
Nein, das ist Querformat.
Das ist schon auch Querformat.
A little fighting over sushi.
Want to tell something about it?
I mostly use avocado, red cabbage, cucumber, and this time tomatoes and green onions for my sushi wrap. And I substituted the wasabi with mustard, and you should really try this. This is extremely delicious.
Sauber.
Not 100% correct the way I roll it, but it works.
I recommend to soak the sushi rice for at least 2 hours. Then the rice will be much softer after cooking. Shh, I think they were eating too much.
I think I have promised you an apartment tour, and here it is. Since my mom helped me clean up, which she does like every 2 weeks, and I pay her for that, my apartment is ready to be shown. This is the corridor. It's quite wide. This is where I keep Louis' stuff, the leash and so on. Guests, toilet. And this is where Louis sleeps during the day. The dining room. Mirko's workstation. Yeah, speaking about minimalism, there's still a lot more to improve. The living room. And this is what Louis prefers. The kitchen. This is where I take my Instagram shots mostly. Fruit and veggies. Yeah, as you can see, I like white. And this is where the magic happens. The bedroom. Yeah, I'm washing the sheets at the moment. The TV we hardly use and maybe want to get rid of. This is where Louis sleeps. It's actually for cats. My vision board. And a huge wardrobe. And now we're approaching my favorite room, which is the bathroom. Because it's so spacious. hardly use this either. Yeah, and that's about it. For the ones who are missing Bounty, this is the best alternative. It's even more delicious. So good.
Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy Easter or the days off, and don't eat little baby lambs which were killed to be on your plate.